Hey there, foodies! Today, I'm going to share with you 5 quick tips for success in no-oil cooking. First tip: use non-stick cookware to avoid the need for oil when cooking. Invest in a good quality non-stick pan or pot to make your cooking process a lot easier and healthier. Tip number 2: use flavorful herbs and spices to enhance the taste of your dishes. By using herbs like basil, oregano, and spices like cumin and paprika, you can add depth and complexity to your meals without the need for oil. So there you have it, 5 quick tips for success in no-oil cooking. By following these simple guidelines, you can create delicious and nutritious meals without sacrificing flavor. Uplifting ending sentence: happy cooking and here's to a healthier you.
Hey there, beautiful souls. Today, I want to talk to you about some common mistakes to avoid when repairing your skin's barrier. One of the biggest mistakes people make is using harsh exfoliants too frequently. While exfoliating can be great for removing dead skin cells, overdoing it can actually damage your skin barrier. Stick to exfoliating 1 to 2 times a week to keep your skin healthy and glowing. Another mistake to avoid is not using a gentle cleanser. Harsh cleansers can strip your skin of its natural oils, leading to dryness and irritation. Opt for a gentle cleanser that will cleanse your skin without causing any damage. Remember, taking care of your skin's barrier is essential for maintaining healthy, radiant skin. So be sure to avoid these common mistakes and give your skin the love and care it deserves. Uplifting ending sentence: your skin is your best accessory, so treat it with kindness and it will thank you for it. Sparkling heart #skincare tips #skin barrier repair #healthy skin.
Hey there, beautiful souls. Are you tired of all the anti-aging myths out there? Well, you're in luck because today, we're going to debunk some of the most common ones and give you the real scoop on what you need to know. First off, let's talk about the myth that you need to spend a fortune to look younger. The truth is, there are plenty of affordable skincare products and treatments that can help you achieve a more youthful appearance without breaking the bank. From drugstore creams to DIY facials, there are plenty of options to choose from. Now, let's address the myth that aging is something to be ashamed of. The reality is, aging is a natural part of life and something to be embraced rather than feared. Remember, every wrinkle and gray hair tells a story and adds character to your beautiful face. So there you have it, folks. Don't believe everything you hear about anti-aging. Embrace your natural beauty and remember that age is just a number. Stay fabulous, my friends. Uplifting ending sentence: just remember, you are never too old to sparkle. Glowing Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to share with you 5 easy mindset boosts for clearer skin. These detox habits are essential for achieving that glowing complexion we all dream of. First up, hydration is key. Drinking plenty of water helps to flush out toxins from your body, leaving your skin looking fresh and rejuvenated. Remember to carry a reusable water bottle with you wherever you go to stay hydrated throughout the day. Next, prioritize self-care. Make time for activities that help you relax under stress, such as meditation, yoga, or a soothing bath. Stress can wreak havoc on your skin, so taking care of your mental well-being is just as important as your skincare routine. Incorporate these mindset boosts into your daily routine and watch your skin transform. Remember, clear skin starts from within. Stay positive, stay hydrated, and remember to take care of yourself. You deserve to look and feel your best. Uplifting ending sentence: here's to glowing skin and a positive mindset. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more skincare tips. Red Heart #skincare #mindset boosts #clearer skin.
Hey there, foodies! Today, I have 5 incredible vegan dinner recipes that are sure to tantalize your taste buds and leave you feeling satisfied. Whether you're a seasoned vegan or just looking to incorporate more plant-based meals into your diet, these recipes are perfect for everyone. First up, we have a mouth-watering stir-fry loaded with tofu, crisp vegetables, and a savory sauce that will have you coming back for seconds. It's quick, easy, and packed with protein and flavor. Next, we are diving into a creamy coconut curry that is bursting with fragrant spices and hearty chickpeas. This dish is perfect for a cozy night in and will warm you from the inside out. And for our final recipe, we have a vibrant roasted vegetable and quinoa salad that is not only delicious but also incredibly nutritious. It's a great way to get in your daily dose of veggies and whole grains. So there you have it, 5 vegan dinner recipes that will make your taste